Tomorrow is a big day. Oh, what the fuck? There's a mosquito on the fucking.
Tomorrow.
Ready to go.
我们骑上树的一路上。
We're on our way to the airport. It's gonna be like 1 hour trip. Everyone's prepared. The whole family's going. I'm kidding. Half of the family. Actually, the whole family is going. So we'll see you there. Yun ka mahal ka? Yun ka mahal ka yun?
Không sao hai đâu à?
You have to put your brightness low.
The system is down. We're currently waiting for them to reset it. To reset the system. Where Sabrina, where we at? Where we at?
We're now at the airport.
30 check.
What else? But now we have like 2 hours to spend. Or 1 hour? 1 hour and a half. We didn't want to take photo, right, with the passport. Oh yeah.
Huh? Hello.
Take in. Take in.
Look at these fools. Especially this one.
Let's go to the mall.
This one. Oh, the toilet. I guess it has the toilet flavor, huh? What's up, chat? So we're currently on the escalator, a vertical one. No, I mean a horizontal one.
And now we're gonna go to the gate and then board
Go.
plane.
Go. Go. Keep on. Son, what are you doing, son?
Filming. Hello vlog. Right now we're getting noodles. Noodles?
What?
In your booty hole.
What the fuck? We're taking this. Okay, this lady's in there. We're taking this plane.
Oh, everyone is going? Okay, we take turns.
Relax.
Now we're ready to board the plane. And then at 1:35 we fly.
Wait. Repeat.
Huh? Repeat. Now we're ready to board the plane. And then at 1:35, so in about 40 minutes, we go.
Relax. What are you doing?
One is snacks.
Huh?
One is snacks.
Snacks? Smart.
Please apply to desk passenger Keizo Otsuka. Please apply at the desk.
Anh sẽ có nhà mà? Con này From YouTube
Hello. Hi. Có con liền.
Going? Where are we going?
To the ship. The cruise ship.
Oh, we are on our seat.
On our seat.
Window seat. The best, obviously.
No, here's the best. Go pee.
Wait, say that. Say that again. Say it again.
Here's the best.
Why is it the best?
When you want to go to pee, you can go easily. Yeah, man.
But I got the best view though. Huh?
Travel bag.
Huh?
Travel bag.
Travel bag?
Yeah.
This is a travel. This is Travel pack. Got a headphone. We also got like a toothbrush inside this thing, and then we got a blanket.
They even got
guys.
random. That's crazy.
Yo. Why you got headphone on? Yeah, bro, these are all Chinese films.
This one looks good.
I'm not really. Lord of the Rings.
Oh, you gotta put on your seatbelt.
Gravity.
Oh shit, what that's
Fantastic Beasts. Maybe I'll watch that later. Lego. They got everything.
seatbelt, hello, seatbelt.
氧气面罩储存在您座椅上方。Your oxygen mask is stored above your seat. 紧急情况时，面罩会自动脱落。In case of an emergency, the oxygen.
Let's see how many views they got. POV. That is so sick. That's so sick. Shit, yeah. Apparently, there's a mechanical problem, and we're returning to the parking zone and wait for the announcement. We're back on the same spot. Back to square one. There's a mechanical problem. I think they're gonna fix it on the spot, or just hop onto another plane. What a day!
Now they gotta turn off the engine first, otherwise they suck it in.
Alex, what do you think?
I hate it. So long. Delay.
旅客朋友们，下午好，这里是机长广播。由于机械故障原因，我们已经返回停机位。有进一步的消息，我们。
What string? You mean cable?
Cable, what
Oh,
string?
string. SBC or?
呢個 power bank 係咪啊？
Oh.
包翻嗰度買嘢，
好吧。
熱翻定講？幾錢啊？
40蚊。
They will
Bro,
announce
you can
it.
charge this 4 times.
빨리 그럼 안 돼. Yeah.
Weird.
So Sabrina, what do you guys think?
We think.
You know this thing is going to go on YouTube, right?
Yeah, I don't care.
Oh. I didn't wash my hands after I
Steve.
pissed.
After you put in your booty hole, go sing it. Oh my god, my lashes look nice.
Did I ask?
Zoom in my lash.
Did I ask? Hey, what are you writing? What are you doing?
Doing this, whatever. This.
Oh wait, we can't show that. It's your personal information.
Information. Blur it. TMI.
Alex, how do you say I need to go to the bathroom in Chinese?
我有去厕所，
go to
厕所，
No, say the whole sentence.
我有去厕所。
At least you tried. Sabrina, how do you call a flight attendant in Chinese? No, it's not 服务员.
What is it?
空 空 no 空珠小姐啊，你講啊？空珠小姐？空中小姐？
No, yeah, you want
We just got our meal.
Where do I eat the fine butter? Get the fine butter?
Wait, what? Let me see it.
The fine butter.
Let's see what you got. Let's see what you got.
Let's
Open
see.
your.
Then we got here
It's pepper and salt, I think. See, it's pepper and salt.
pinch, salt, pepper, yeah. And then let's see what we got here.
Oh. 鸡肉.
And then I got chicken, right?
And this is pork? Pork and rice.
Oh, this fucking is you. This is small. You? Because you're supposed to grab from the bottom.
Oh.
Dumbass.
I was meant to get the mashed potato part. Oh, well, whatever. Oh, there's all the coleslaw, butter,
But
salt,
there's no
pepper.
space to eat, man. You
And
guys
what
are
is
too
this?
fat.
What is this? Oh, I think it's like some sort of cake.
Itadakimasu.
What you got? What you got?
What the hell are you doing? I got mashed potatoes. I got rice.
Hell no, help me go, help me go.
So?
It tastes like wine.
Huh?
They add like wine. They
That's
add like
fancy.
Wine.
That's fancy.
It has a taste of wine. Wine.
Okay, Alex, what do you think, Alex? What does it taste like?
It's okay.
So I'll add butter on my mashed potato. Let's see. Mashed potato. Come on, melt.
What did you do wrong?
That's good.
Let's see. It's chicken.
That's good. That's very delicious.
Oh, me too.
And you want to pork. You want the pork.
1,600
The coleslaw is not the best, but it hits.
Eat mine.
Eat yours?
I don't eat roast though.
It's the best meal I've had in the plane.
Yeah, it's not bad. It's
I'll
not bad.
I'll give it like a 7.9 out of 10. Wait,
It's
what-
better than KLM. It's way better.
Okay,
I'll
rate it.
give it a 7.5.
7.5.
7.
Mine was 7.9. Huh? Okay, there's no smell. So far.
It tastes like a normal Chinese cake, like. Right?
It's not too sweet. It's not too dry. It has a little moisture inside. Yeah, it's decent. Yeah, it's different from Western cakes. Let's just say it. Not too sweet. It doesn't give you diabetes.
But it
It has some fruit. What fruit was? What fruit is this?
I don't know. I can't taste it.
I think it's pineapple. This is crazy though. We finished our meal before you even fly. We're still on the ground. Not in the air. Alex,
That's why you choose tomato.
what were you supposed to get? What were you? Huh? Apple. And what you got?
Tomato.
Tomato? 我可乐。要，谢谢。 cây semua bình qua chưa cái phân kia trước mình á.
Cái ngâm này kia.
너무
Đúng rồi.
ai phân kéo à. Đi đến mình có mấy ký à?
이거 이게 인골. 그냥 좋아. 그냥 좋아. 그냥
6.5 hours later. 12 seconds later.
So currently, the flight has been cancelled. Now we're waiting to get the fuck out of here. Damn, what a day, what a day. We basically just ate a free meal and then, you know. But I'm glad that we didn't take off. It's better than sorry. Sabrina, so what happened?
Cancelled. Our flight got cancelled. Minimum 1 booty hole night.
Right now, on our way home, and then figured the shit while we're home.